knife here. Hey, hey. Oh my God, look. I'm telling you. So what do you think about my mom's house? This is my party house. Very leaky. Huh? That's my mama. Because she was having a gambut and me I was, hanging here. No, even my sister, look. Huh? That's my sister. I'm showing you, man, there is struggle, in our home here. Okay. This water, man, look, leaking, it's crazy. Look. Quando mora muito mal, tu vira mano. Kota hayo. Ha? Ufaira tanda no toro mora. Kuruanda ni nakebar. Guys, you see, I'm telling you, my mom's house is leaking. Look from this side. Look at the container. Even this is water, man. Look. You see? We put there. Look, water everywhere. This is water, man. I'm telling you, this is water. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look from the other side. Crazy. But God, one day, I'll fix these things. Look, it's raining time here. We get rain, man. Look, it's crazy. I was coming to check my bike, from other side. Good morning guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. Are very special, and today it's a blessed day. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking these videos. And on my side, it could be an incredible story. Imagine, today is a Valentine's Day, date 14 on February 2026. It's find me in other situation while I'm working as a handman at my mom's construction site. So anytime you want to see my mason and also one handman, and I probably we have been working with my engineer early in the morning around 6, so it's too dark. I can't manage to shoot the videos. There's some places which yesterday have been remaining at the back porch of the kitchen. So today, maybe you might be shocked, like, hello baby, today is a Valentine's Day, you are working at my mom's construction. How comes? I don't care, as long as I'm pushing myself day by day. And I'm from this side of the part of East Africa. So this I'm calling home. Down there, that's my neighbor. This is my first project. I have been running several types of projects, including this, constructing the borehole, bring materials for the construction site, and now my mom's house, it's come in a good shape. And also on my previous day, I talked with one of my neighbor. So she's a lady who in charge of that land, and also today you'll see her on these videos paying the money on camera. So I told you I was supposed to buy that trees. I was keeping the money till now, and hopefully she will be here anytime. Wow, so my birds is out. and I think I'm heading here. So this is our chicken on this side, and it's been a while. Yaponi, Njo. So I think, you know, this is Roman Catholic Church. I think this is for my mama, you know. Oh my God. All right, so this is my bike here. I'm so blessed, man. This is what to support me. I normally work for it closely to 2.5 years, but I'm the guy who focus on my dream. Ini anani? Nakura nini? Enda sutunze. So that's Banana, that's my sister. So right now it's a weekend. I do remain with my sister at home, and also at the same time maybe you'll see me with some Mason. So guys, let's see on my next videos. Okay guys, so now we're heading this side here. This is the concrete. Amanche yako pore. Amanche na simaji yako ni akiso fundia ameenda naye engineer. Sasa si mimi niopate akiso pamweleke ndako. Tamote pera mote ikiuma kiheteri garazi matokenge. Sasa sumpige simu mwambie penye alieka akiso. Hadi kuna ile mpya. Hello mama. Hello. Okay mama. Okay. She was the owner of that tree, and also she wants to sell the land. Tutaka kumogo. Baka kuna maana jitokeza nataka. Nani? Si mtu yote tu wanaotazama. So guys, for those people who need the land in our village here. Hey boss. Yote. Kwani mnakata mkata wapi juu? Kai hapa mwisho nye koroga siku yenye watakuja atakata mwenyewe, ama utapiga ona hiyo mbara bruto boy tundu ipite afu siku utakata bwana enda ikusumusumena. Okay guys, now I told you like yesterday I wanna buy these trees here. Kelly, yore man. Nataka ning'ole mti man. Haya. So mbona utayabantu nirengo gutuna. Na. Ni ngapi kwa ngapi? Kwani ni ngapi kwa ngapi? Hivi. Na hivi. Hivi inaweza kuwa 100. Hii hapa ni 200 na hapa ni 100. Oh, 200 by 100. 200 by 100 by 200. You need how much? For example, maybe somebody watching this video, they want to know the price. Sasa wewe, nyonyore nani hii? Tukolika kama yani example tu. Tukolika kama 1,000,000 na 200,000 hapa. Okay, we'll see, mama. And that was sick. And also, guys, I've already, paid the money of these trees, as I told you. So I look the owner of the land. She's here. So we sign a deal. So anytime when I get the money, I'll pay the guy of the power. So we cut it. Okay, guys, I finish up fetching water from the borehole. As you can see, this water right here. I'm trying to soak my hand inside. Also have this one here. We are mixing the concrete, probably for the front porch right now here and back porch. What am I saying to Muskumugima? Otorharo to enera. Unajua nikiweke sitakuwa kali. Sasa utoe basi usiende kwa maji juu kibaki. Haiwezi je kubaki juu unaona paka tukoroge nyingine. Si hadi utakorogeana. Okay. So right here we are mixing the concrete actually for this place. If you remember very well, I told you, oh guys, I'm going to fix here this front porch. So yesterday we do the skeleton or sketching of the timbers, as you can see right here, and This design, it give headache. You need to measure the angle, the size must be the same, you know what I mean. And also you need to put the post like right here. You should put one supporter, another one there, but at this side here it's okay. And also as we speak, we have the mason right here performing his duty. Fundi, si umwage basi maji. Usena hatambi harimo kawansi. Apata si mimi naona mngeanzire ndefu. Yendi vya mtamua. Also you see, yesterday we did this part, but we didn't finish up. And my engineer was around early in the morning, around 6. We did the job with him, but I didn't manage to shoot the videos because it's a little bit dark. So he came early in the morning, he finished the leftover, and then the work that have been remaining here is to put the concrete. We fix the concrete. I'm gonna take a rojo. Fundi temuke amba mancho home mon. Yeah man. So guys, I heard on the comment section, people said we talk with your fundis in Swahili, in a vernacular language. So sometimes I do forget. Koyo. Amote Romango sokere ni mahar. Yaani wewe simi tusihurumie. Eh. So I'm telling them, add more cement. We need something good. Yeah, that's how we mix the concrete, man. Right here, like crazy. Although today the work is not a lot. I remember last time I work alone and I sleep like a goat. Probably here we should have one handman and also the fundi, you know. So in terms of the rental, I want to say goodbye. This is my last lap, and then we do adjustment of the courses. As I told you, on upper side it need 500 blocks or machine cut because we have 200. So I don't know when I should, you know, balance my budget, but hopefully in March I should complete everything. Ogoro ukuri hata kuna magere hano nayo hii sasa unajua kuna misumali imeshapasuka. So guys, I'm gonna show you. Ukienda na hiyo na ile zitakuwa zinatosha. Homerekare Muhammad. Okay guys, I will show you the magic, how Tingo go. So I'm climbing to be on top here as I show you. You see, first we want to put water, and then we do what we call the mixture of the concrete. Yeah. Oh my god, I think I should walk on top here. People say, hello baby, you should be very careful. Yeah man, when I feel like to throw my shoes down. Hivi nimeacha wapi simu? Simu yangu imeanguka fundi. Oh, harere. Atora musoke hano. Mupate hizi hela. Ama hamuna kazi leo? Hamuna kazi leo. Unaenda Valentine? Guys, today is Valentine Day. I'm working in my home here. Something crazy. No time, you know, for looking friends for Valentine Day. Today I'm working here, man. You know, so I wanna push this one. And also,
today I'm going to be jarring my baby.
Okay. So today, guys, it's on my videos. It's evidence on my videos. I paid the lady of that trees the money, so no worry about it. I'm telling you, and I know how to handle these things. Ase kana nko raso ko tere ko goto eh.
Ate kana tam.
Kana kino han? Na nyunda yako hapo. Sasa hivi umemweza huyu. Ungekuwa na zingine mbili. Ya huko ndani imezeka.
Tangu. Ngone raganda ne tere tuwe ko goto.
Yaro mweri wenwa. Hii ni pole pole, mtamaliza tu. Man. Weke rojo rojo. Ndio itaenda mingi. Lakini ukiweka nzitu utakoroka hadi kesho. Mayana kapa ya mara. Ibuye. Yeah, man, subscribe to my channel, man. Look where I'm standing right now. Crazy. And you look at the back. Akamtenda haraka sindi.
Huduma.
Ungeajiri mtu. Yeye mlikuwa na contract. Ungeajiri mtu awasombe mpe 200.
Asa 200 tupate nini? Nitakuwa naenda kumsaidia, tunakuja tunapaa.
Ona, uchukue ile ndoo iwe 3. Hata ndo utakuwa unaangalia ratio. So there should be 3 people. Like him and the handman. Ameenda. Amesema muwe mnafuata wote. So guys, when I'm on top here, I do watch. Actually, the video of that place is coming when my brother, I bring the tractor, plow there. The video is out, guys. Don't mind. You'll be maybe get shocked. Say hello, baby. I see where your brother rented the land have been plowed right there. The video is out. I will indicate. It will be maybe the starting. I don't know, but it depends how things go. Sasa wewe talinda naye. Enzi zangu nilikuwa napanda nayo mimi. Si ndio maana fundi nyewe mnakula tu mmesimama galeta utafali.
Gaza kika yule.
Kabono kwa rara tuenere. I'm telling him they should put on small container. Oh, hii chuma ndio ulikuwa unasema?
Eh.
Home. Gaze tusikie watatoa mbao itakatwa.
Ni suri mbare.
Eh. So they want to go around on other side.
Sare tan. Ndito.
Tau twena kuyendera.
Okulika ningi mikiri. Ndahoya.
Ayo na magana again. Kia mungu honera kura mais. Hai. Honera kura mais. Amagana again ka. Hai. Pato musanse kotam.
Mchanga huko.
Asa mbana hii ni mawe yenyewe. Hata fundi ameona. Yeah. Mahi. Sasa erika ukarutakia mwisho haya. Ay. Eru letero joroje nyikona nini mchanga.
Magana makeko msenso muuru.
Kwani uliweka mchanga kiasi gani? Haiwezi, hakuna siku. Itabidi uliweka kokoto 3. Nenda usichope wilibaro moja uweke ndani mchanga. Nenda tu. Akiamuita kujilie macho hapa. Hata fundi. Uweke kalingana. Inabidi nini nazidi? Mchanga. Weka wilibaro moja ya mchanga ndani. Roro. Fresh.
Tuena.
Ha. Ayo kogera.
Sawa.
Leo kwenda job. Haya. Okay. Hi. So guys, I decide to mix the concrete around here, right here. You will see my magic. Guys, on this concrete here, there's not enough ballast, so we need to add one more wheelbarrow. And I think if you did construction very well, if you are well professional, you know me, I think 3:2. I mean, sand will be 3 wheelbarrow, and also ballast will be 2 wheelbarrow. You know, so I told this guy never touch this sand anymore, because now no more sand. You know, it helped me to, you know, plaster it. It's good because it's soft, man. So I'm waiting when the rain is out. I should you know, buy more 3 trucks of the sand, maybe for plastering. Mko karibu kufika pale mwisho. That's the ballast that I bought here. I think 2 lorries or 2 trucks. Imagine. Sometimes I do balance my budget. I'm here, I'm there, you know. But it's not a big deal. I'm telling him, let's go. That one is enough. What's happening? So much kids are crying on my grandma home. Usimwage, usimamisha hapo. Sasa choo tukiongeza. Hii kokoti ilikuwa hapo. Haikuwa na kitu. Tahama mwe. Weka mu kama kidogo tu. Kama kole tatu hivi tasonge haya. Kisikusumbue. Yanatosha. Haya, paki hapo. Okay guys. Ndio simama hapo ni rekodi sasa. Kuchanganishia faster. Hapo tu.
Iko sawa? Iko sawa?
Hapo hapo.
Mimi najua nakupikia full. Full.
Wani zoom. All right, let's go. Okay then. Fundi. Gari tayari. Mbona mshamaliza sasa? Wani kuli omosenge wa musipiki kumbe ha muntu mubo. Heya. Afadhali hata Yusuf. Ile yake acha kae naye.
Yusuf ni mwenye wamekuja naye.
Yule mwenye alikuwa na Honda. Unaweza fikiri hautahiki. Kuchomeka hapo hivi. Nikupe kipepsi. Okay. Ni jimu. Sasa unaona watu wa mkono tuna shida. I'm telling my mason, you know, like Handyman have big problem. Mixing, delivery is Handyman. Kileta mara mbili. Kwenda lala. So guys, we want to mix this, the second trip of the front porch. Then we see how things go. Ibiribaro mbili umeweka kokoto. Na mchanga 3. Hai. Takera mancha kama fundi atareka simitoka twende. Na kuna ndoa moja hapa mbele. Tukiingia kukoroga. So I'm telling him, let's go and fetch water. The moment start mixing it once and for all. Okay, so I have here the buckets. I'm gonna fetch water at this point. Let's see. Let's go with it too. There's no need to struggle, man. Okay. Just a minute. And I see my magic right here. In case you're new here, subscribe, man. Guys, do you believe I'm working here? Okay. Wagwan, man.
Weka kamera vizuri. Unaweka mau sana.
Inaweka supu. Mimi ndo najua. Acha nikuwekea na ingine supu. Toa. Okay. I should follow how things go. Let's go. Twende. I'm on gameboot, man. Nimesikia Kisunte si dereva mzuri. Ya. Kusaidia hizi vipi kwa ya makosa. Haina shida ya mwaga. Ni wachache sana wanajengea mama yao nyumba. Na mimi ndo first born ibi nijenge kwangu. Chukua kidumu.
Ani hiyo? Ni kweli kabisa.
Wachache sana.
Wachache. Ambao wanajengea mama ama baba zao.
Weka mpe mchanga. Afuzu tepige ratio ya kirenge homa wivu. So I'm telling him maybe quite a number of people will find them building their parents' home or a house like this, or maybe if you have a single parent, dad and mom, maybe mom or dad, quite a number of people build. Like me here, I said no, man, I'm the firstborn, I'm supposed to build my own home, but I said no, man, let me build my mama house. Iko kwikwe? Sasa hiyo ndiko chonjo. Lakini msansa kama ngo bandero tokera kwa sikiru wani pup.
Wono.
Kora mahanyu mahara mogator. So my nephew said that's a good ratio that I mixed up for now. Utanipasulia kamia 50. Okay. Right guys, so now I'm trying to build my mama house in Africa. So I decide east-west home is the best. I'm the one who I can build my home to be the best. Nobody, around my home, but outside of the world, People really support me. Okay then. Enda uje tulete mawe. Imagine today, it's a Valentine's Day, man. Hello, baby, I'm walking home. Today is a Valentine's Day, and the boy, I'm on the construction. Today, it's a Valentine's Day. The boy, I'm working at my mom's dream house. Wagwan, man. So today it doesn't matter. Other people went to celebrate Valentine's Day. I'm only remaining at home here, mixing the concrete with one of the handman and also one fundi. I mean, when I'm saying fundi, I mean the mason. And I probably, maybe one day, people would come home and then say, oh, this is your home. And actually, today on Saturday, I'm here with my sister, only 2 people. But again, I'm pushing. You know, sister, come here, say hello. I see my sister. She was from other side. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Osha uso wako mundani na makamasi hapa. Osha umu. Osha hapa. I'm telling my sister to wash the face because there's some mucus there. Osha vizuri. Angalia hapo kiosha. Aya, osha. Aya, nenda sasa ukamwona. That's my sister. If you don't know her, she was our last born, and she was the only a lady or a girl that we have. God have some reason why why the rest are men. I'm the firstborn. The second born was my brother who rented the land right here. Also, third born. If you're watching my videos every day, I took him to join in school, junior secondary school, which I'm very, very proud of myself. Like, man, I'm trying to push my family to the next level. So let me continue, finish this place. You see when I'm on gumboots, don't mind. That's where my situation take me up to, you know. Right. So guys, I try my sister to hold the camera. Look. That's my sister for you. Eva. Una juu kidogo. Okay guys, I'm fetching water here. It's good to show you what I'm doing, you know. Yeah. So that's the reason why sometimes I do working as a handman to avoid too much expenses. You know what I mean? And this 20 liter. This 20 liter. Kwando hivyo.
Badi inaonyesha nikeka.
Oh, inaonekana. Haya. You know. Oh. I'm telling you, this is a serious work. One day when I see my house completely, I'll sleep, man, with shoes. You know. But for now, I'm working, man. So I'm more than 40 kg. Okay, wanashana humu. That's water. So guys, I've already found him. I've already mixed the concrete, and also my work is to bring water. Sometimes I do mix, you know. So that's the way of making an exercise, you know. Tup. Haya, unatengeneza shimo. So guys, today I'm working. Maybe my thumbnail will be around here. See guys, I'm working right here. This is crazy. Ona yake rako nukuche pia urachepi. So guys, I'm telling you, this is a bigger balcony, man. Look from this corner to that corner. And also, oh my god, sorry. Okay. Guys, I'm heading this way and then that way. I heard the noise from the tractors. Actually, it's my brother's land, and I think he was the one who bring that tractors because he came from school. He wants to prepare the land, and as he go, you know. So I think last week my brother finished exam, and then he came to prepare the land as he go. You know, universities at the same time when maybe you have free classes. That's the reason why my brother, when he have a free classes, he run. Look at that. Urano! Hi! Car running, man. Nikai what? Okay, okay.
I know how to dig with tractor, I know how to mason work.
Muita!
So me, I always love everyone. Yeah, man. I love my work.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
This muita for you.
It's good for us because
Once I second once. Guys, this is muita.
it is a manpower.
A driver.
I'm a driver, I'm phone.
They're okay. Let him. What's the wash? Oh, this is muita, guys.
Yeah, this manpower.
You are a driver?
Yeah, I'm a driver. I know how to drive, to dig shamba.
Okay. Haya, twende kazi. Let's go. Yeah, man. Guys, I'm telling you, this is muita.
You can see me.
Lima twin. I'm telling them like go this way. Look. Hiya! Yeah, man. I just wonder, you know, sometimes I work with Muita here, and he was a driver of these tractors. Man, this is crazy. Hey, hama oko gotera. Wanda tuna chochopo kwa tichimbegu. Pande mind. This is my brother here. Say hello. You are rich. Let me see. You're so rich, bro. I don't want to talk about the Kemori. Quite rich. You be rich, man. Hey. Oh, how you help book a roof record? Cinema help book method 26,000. I work with the dollars. You work with dollar? I remember coming home. I don't know how to momotaro. So guys, I see one power right here. So I'm just get shocked, man. Yeah, so that's my brother that I'm speaking with him right now. These are his projects. Yeah. Ma, mwita unamulimia hapo hivi. Eh. Yeah. Okay, come this way. I'm telling them, come this way. And then, yeah, man. Look at that. Yeah. No hará itapi. Oh yeah. Eh. Mama say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am
Guys,
fine.
that's my African mom. And look even the oh mama, oh I touch you and you're planting maize. This is the color of the maize.
Maha. Hano momote byari akoro motaro iyo.
Kura vitani.
Baicha.
Hanga turumondra kore gasi. Morega. Ngosere hanga ne yake kuyambere.
Ora mori na mwamu bigibigi gataka. Uni nabora ne bigibigi obo hai. Uni ne mbori ga arando che wiki one ye na gamba ga ne bigibigi omo hai.
Guys, this is my mom for you. And if you don't know her, this is my mom. Actually, she was the one who made us who we are today. Yes. Okay, even even her, she needs a tractor to plow down there. Okay, guys, we are happy, and we try to make it like never before. Doda, say something, man.
You are a good to the father, the family. Okay.
Okay, he said I'm the good father of my family. Actually, I'm taking care of my family, 100%.
The tree and the good and the Sigongo and the Kuchengo.
Oh.
This, that.
Okay. We got a corner. You want to sit here? Tuendu nikate zile chindara maseke. Nasuke nguri bihuru baadaye. Tui. Maachira. Utonde maha. Ufieke chindara. Tuko maha kono tuko mobaga. Mau kendu chifieke. Ahora mi kapa ufieke ntane rambale. Yeah. So because I found him with a slasher, he needed to cut that stones on the other side. Lolo! Okay, let's go and see. Achana na ng'ombe we toa. Fieka tu isu toe doda. Mata wansera kurambalera. Utuande nchiri nurusko rondengi fieke. Wankune kuchambalen. So I'm telling them to slash here because I found him with a slasher. Okay. Ukwabe? Ukwabe? Danga yeko yangu kulingiriana. Ege koni yangu kulingana. Ima yangu bibi kulingana. Daki ya mungu tande ukoha. Wewe lima. Rabidusu mansera kegocha taron. Eh.
Kama sabiri kuna miaka kwa ba mungu. Tanadera ni digambiri moni.
Sawa.
Uikwabe? Tikanaone gekwa. Kama moge yeso bakabde kuna miaka na ngiri miaka.
Okay. Mama taruse ng'ombe hayo tachiro butorusi. So guys, I'm running because that's the boundary. Tuanenke mai bigi ndere hanga ne sare kere. So kini jano monto okopoko. Tane ndako kasuni changu nyanda kutunda. Nato we. Atura kiko mwaini. Sawa. Okay guys. Roda, fieka we hapo. Yeye hapo na higa? Nitakupa 50 na ama ndinge asi ontana. Tafia kurra chindari chuchene wangu ya mbele chindari chenu utige. Hai. Wakamora urakombora sano libichimbira kande. Motebiri. Ayaribe matindoke ngari chibesa ka? Hakuna mwitambu yako rema sana. Teroho he. Buya kolema. Ikina injori ende jona hasu ko hara.
Kiranga ba ko rema. Ni gona tebiri ke gocha na ngiri giri tine bitamuka.
Iya. Iya ba? Iya. Ote bono kama ni ngungu sumu shuka ndoli bichimbiro kucho umanyi gore pere. Taken. Amanyata mo kuchindura bishibwa aba. Tauli bichimbiro mukako.
Chinoncha kaveri msimu wa pili, msimu wa kwanza mshaki.
Aba tapase pore ng'ombe ra eruha. Tigarusie no acha kurusie. Ye ko para Polymer. Tama Kenya kulingana mbona ndako. Sana ndai kurusi chimbira. Yeah.
My university. Sasa wanaona kwa tukio unaniangusha na sababu.
Yeah.
Bora atichi. Sina rare.
Okay guys, I'm leaving home right now. And we gotta see some other stuff. So I left. Takunywa ndamanga msiniring. Was takunywa ndaya. Ona minding on step. Guys, I'm telling you. This balcony is so big, man. It has 3 pillars. 1, 2, 3. Look from here. Huh? Guys, what do you think? You know, wow, that's the mason. Maybe from here. Who knows? I'll get a thumbnail. I'm too short. Wow. So anyway guys, today is a holiday. It's a Valentine Day and I'm working here. No problem. So guys, this is a small ladder. I want to climb and go on other side to check. Oh my god. To check how. Okay. Now here I must be very careful. To check how my phone have been fixed. Things here and there. Whew. Being in Africa, sometimes it's a tricky situation. Oh my god. And imagine I have the phone on my pocket. I need to fix it here. Okay. Because these are working tools, phone and my camera. So I want to see how things go here on top. Oh my god. Woo. Finally, I managed to be here. So you can see these are concrete. Fantastic job that we're doing here. So here we say goodbye. Even you see the concrete right here all the way. So initially I was working as a handman. I know this work. So I'm supposed to walk, going on the other side. Imagine, this is crazy. If you make a mistake, oh, you will see a longer day, long life. Look where I'm walking, man. Sometimes I'm risking, man. Look down, and I'm walking here. Sasa bonombe, you go for mix you. Sidi na maji na umpe na binding. So here we have already put the concrete. Man, this, I'm telling you, this is a tall house. Imagine I'm on the ring toll, but I'm seeing my grandma houses, even my aunt outside there. Tokoma kama ndotora nendro. Enotarigani charity ngokoriganda lipo. Man, look where I'm standing. Hey, and look down. You make a mistake, you've already gone. Hanoka atemu inkundo hansigo. Regechere. Yeah. Okay. Man, I do risk my life to be in here and checking how things go. Wait. I got them support and they got the hayo. How you got hands at a bend. Sasa unajua iko katikati kamera tuliweka kwa center. Bwana dada kongale birikan.
Yeah. Tawa ken. Kamera, pasta na yuri siri ya kuruta.
Ana mbebe. Alafu unajua hapo kinua hivi unafanya mazoezi bado. Haina haja uende kwa gym unabebana na machuma. Wewe tafuta mjengo. Mtu anafanya kazi kama hii, I'm telling him there's no need to go in a gym room. Better you look for the construction place you work. Kaleta nondo ikatama bado na kuna nondo zingine zilikuwa hapo chini. Kweli ini wheelbarrow yangu ile mpya. I'm shocked. Look, that's my home. Hey. Oi. 115 laki mbili. Faza vipi wendo mkorogaji, tamaliza?
Tamaliza.
Teni baki.
Yeah.
Kuna sehemu kwa room huko tunaekaga yenye imebaki. People are working in the farm, guys. On the other side, you see the people right here. Okay guys, we shall meet on other videos, and today is a holiday. Actually it's a Valentine Day and I'm working here, but other people went to enjoy. So we shall meet maybe on tomorrow's videos. I hope here I've already finished up the place that have been remaining, and maybe I should go and work as a handman where I was working initially, but I left a little bit. I came here to finish some stuff or my activities, porches and also splitting timbers. But maybe from tomorrow I should left home in a good way. So we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. Ciao ciao.